life is beautiful. Depends how we try to live life. It's amazing life. It's amazing how the universe works for you, works for me, works for nature. Be in touch with nature. Be in touch with that mother nature in life. And you will see that everything comes to you in life. Once you know this knowledge, the universe have everything in place for you, for your family, for everything that you wish in this life. Think positive, and you will receive everything that Mother Nature have for you, have prepared for you in this marvelous universe that you and I are living.